out of my way, homie. Dang, I don't have one life left though. Oh, why did I accidentally do that? Put it in neutral.
We're getting our car washed, and I've never even been through a car wash before. So this is my first time.
Yeah! The car wash!
Whoa, I just got a little wet on me.
Is your windows rolled up?
Yeah?
It's fine, it probably just came in through the back. Feet off pedals, hands off wheel, antenna down. Yeah, our antenna doesn't go down. But yeah, we're going through the car wash.
That thing looks scary.
No.
Yes, it does.
Hello?
Hey.
Well, me and my wife are just going for a drive on a Saturday. It's a little bit cloudy, but we're just driving out into the country, looking at the scenery. It's pretty out there.
Pretty much nothing.
Yeah, it's pretty much nothing right here in the hillbilly land. Well, I know you guys can't see it very good, but this proves you're in the country. Go up a little, drive. Because all the stop signs have bullet holes through them.
Looking so cute with the bald head.
Well, this is the view of everything after disasters class. That's the iPod Touch, and this is AJ I was sitting next to him on the bus. And we had to hike all the way up here to look at the river. And he wanted to sprint up and almost fell down.
Yeah, sprint up and I like slid.
And
That is really cool.
that's what's